Hi everyone. So I thought I would introduce you to my dogs that I talk about all the time. This is Max. He's my big one. Want to say hi? Say hi, Max. Harley. This is my deaf one. Itty bitty, come here. Come here. This is Itty Bitty. And that's Max again. This is Itty Bitty. And that's Max again. So, those are the girls. And I'm sure you've all been intimately introduced to Max. So those are my 3 dogs. We also have Thomas, who's standing regal in his perch. So when I talk about my animals, those are our animals. And so yeah, it's a fun zoo that we run. We also occasionally have bunnies and are known to have reptiles. More like frogs, but that's it. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.